quick one.
Here are the starting lineup, same starting five for the Pelicans. Five-time All-Star Anthony Davis, having they bounce back from the loss in Game 3. Curry with the rebound. Thompson fires. Yes.
I was going to say, give that assist to Steve Kerr, even though he missed the shot. That was a great play call right there. Rondo knocks it down with the
Davis. Curry on the steal. Leads Thompson. Curry from the angle.
But with Curry back on the floor, his optimal winning lineup is back in place. Now Curry says of the lineup, it makes the simple play. Mark?
All right, thank you, David. Our illustration graphics department very busy overnight as Curry is telling starters not to take a shot until that one. Beautiful setup, and Davis with the dunk.
And back to what David Aldridge said. Coach Gentry said the reason why this lineup is so tough and not just
Davis with the rebound. Holiday for Rondo. Here's Davis shooting for three. Yes. Here come the Warriors. Curry down the lane. Curry on the fake. Gives it up. Thompson again.
Usually means good things for the Golden State Warriors.
Foul committed by Curry. Nice fake by Mirotic. And Iguodala jumping, and Mirotic.
Because he moves without the ball more than anyone on this team and better than most in the NBA.
Holiday for his second three-point lead for Golden State. 5 minutes to go in the first. Durant gets
scoring playoff list.
The lob. Davis trying to guide it, but not. 2-on-1 to Golden State. Thompson with the good catch.
You keep her hand up. You're really not going to stop Durant from missing. That's just him missing at himself.
It's Clark from the corner. Ian Clarkson's turnovers became a statistic in the 77-78 season to have in a playoff game 40 with 10 assists. Cook off the steal. Here's Cook taking all the way. And Hill is on it. Holiday, nice move.
Tell DA that, listen, guys are driving too fast. That time he took his time. Peruz got an open layup.
Oh, Thompson. We're early second quarter at Oracle Arena in Oakland. Thompson, yes. Here's Curry. Bumping with Clark. Curry with the scoop. It's been Klay Thompson with 19 of the 41 points here in the first half. Davis with a good look on Looney.
You have one man rotating at you, you can attack from there.
Durant throws it right back. Curry. Rondo played on a switch by Looney. He'll give him that shot, and he hits the three.
He's going to have to let you shoot, and it's as opposed to letting someone else knock it down.
Curry on a catch and shoot for three.
And that's why. Coach Gentry looks at him and says, good shot, keep on shooting.
Oh, look out. The whistle had blown, and Rondo went after Green, who continued the dribble, and Draymond did not technical in game 4. With the shot, beautiful lead pass. Draymond actually went 8 games without a technical foul. Had 15 during the season, which was second in the NBA.
Great tough block right there in interior defense by Green.
Rondo passed on a free nice dish for Davis. Rondo on the interception. Mirotic, deep three, yes.
To move the ball side to side and see what they can get.
Beautiful play by Rondo to slap it away from Curry. It takes all the way going right, but he has 11. Rondo with a hook pass, beautifully done for Anthony Davis. And New Orleans is up by a point. One more. Fires it out. Picked off by Thompson. Gets to Curry.
It's attention to detail.
8 turnovers for the Pelicans, 7 for the Warriors. And behind by Iguodala. Final minute and a half. Curry had a knocked away. He's able to recover. Durant, 4-3.
of this series so far. 9 for 17. That's why they're in that game. This game. Let's see if they can keep shooting that well.
There's Thompson, who got off to a good start. The tip missed. Durant with the rebound.
This is where you have to be careful. Golden State dominates third quarters.
Curry is in this game. This is each one more. Nowhere to go. The court in the air, leading to this. Curry gives back to Durant. The Bulls did it over 2 seasons of playoffs. Nice move by Holiday. Rondo and Holiday on the backcourt. Mirotic not expecting that pass. And it's a 2-on-1. Thompson for Curry for 3. Golden State this quarter, 8 seconds, 7 scores. Here's Davis on the turn.
Field goals. That's amazing teamwork and play together.
Darius Miller on that foul. Here's Green to the hoop. Clark is off.
Pelicans need to go pick and roll with Davis every play.
Curry, yes.
Can't come back from 24 against the champs. I'm not saying that, but they've been fighting every game. I wouldn't be surprised as Davis knocks one. Gentry's philosophy, it doesn't matter how many timeouts you have if you're being blown out, and he's just trying to give his team a chance.
By Holiday. Green stripped by Davis. It's kept alive by Moore. Fourth with the steal and the layup. And a half remaining, third quarter. Here's Green setting it up. A lob for Bell.
Well, Bell said, don't worry, I got hops, I can handle this.
7th assist for Draymond Green. Moore, like 2008. Here's Green for 3. With a 22-point lead as the fourth quarter gets underway. Davis, a nice 4th straight season. Here's Draymond Green, rejected, and Davis took a shot to the face. Green got it back. Gives to Livingston. Sean Livingston has had a very strong playoff run, up and down at times during the regular season. Murray, lots of time on the clock. Curry. Little give and go, back out, Livingston, what a fourth. Green, Curry one hand. Curry saw Livingston along the baseline, but it was picked off 3-on-2. Davis with the finish. 5 minutes gone by in the fourth. Holiday getting to the bucket. Moore on the drive. Made it.
I don't know why the Pelicans are going away from Davis. It seems like he scores every time he touches, even though Holiday with the easy one right there.
Durant now double team. Gets it off to Green to try to lob it. Now Green on the follow. 3 minutes to go. Nice pass. Mirotic with the bucket for New Orleans. Green rejected by Davis. Knocked out of bounds. Last touch by the Warriors. Curry lost it. Here comes Clark with Green back. Holiday gets it inside. Davis with the score. Battered by Mirotic, played by Green, who turns and hits.
Knock it down.
Green, Durant, give and go. The tip by Looney. Along with 14 rebounds, 9 assists. Clark, nice move, driving hook by Pelicans in 5 after defeating San Antonio in 5 to advance to the Western Conference Final. Wasn't easy down the stretch after leading by as many as 26 earlier tonight.